Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNiche. In today's episode, we are diving into something exciting. We are building a command line tool for cryptocurrency tracking using Kotlin. If you are into coding and crypto, you are in for a treat. So let me introduce you to the project that what we are going to do. So before we start, let me explain what we will be, what is the context of it. Okay. So this CLI tool will fetch live cryptocurrency prices, display the details of, specific coins, and it will allow us to track multiple coins at once. So we will be using Kotlin for our programming, a free API for like CoinGecko or market cap. I mean, coin market cap for to fetch the live data. A simple, clean CLI interface. Okay. So let us start the project. Okay. So first of all, whenever we will be creating this project, so first we will need to add some of the dependencies to support the overall HTTP connections and the overall HTTP interactions, that how it serializes, how it deserializes. For that, what I've done is in build.gradle.kts, what I've done is I have added, you know, these dependencies, you know, ktar.client.core, ktar.client.cio, ktar client serialization. So this core will enable all the HTTP related libraries, like the core libraries. The CIO will give the core input output operations, that is the CIO. And for the client serializations, it will give the client serialization dependency. And for the Kotlin side, we have given the Kotlin X serialization for the JetBrains. Okay. So first, what I'll do is, first of all, we will have to build an API client. So we'll need a way to fetch the cryptocurrency data. So let's create a crypto API client. Is to this will be basically interacting with CoinGecko API, which is a free API. You can check that. So let's go to Kotlin and create a crypto API client. Okay, let's create this class. Okay, now I will create a client, HTTP client. Okay, this is the ktar client we will import. After that, we will write a method that will be an asynchronous method, that is suspended function, get coin price. And in the coin, and I mean in the argument, we will take coin as a string, and in turn it will return a string. Okay, that is the coin price. So we will do what we will do, response is equals to, I mean, the return type would be HTTP response. Okay, so HTTP response is equals to client dot get, and we will give HTTPS API dot coingecko.com. Okay, and what is the API we have? That is the path is API, and we will take the v3 simple price, and we will give the IDs equals to coin, and vs currencies equals to USD. So it will give me overall things to USD everything. Okay, so it has given me this, and after this, what I will do is I'll do the return response dot body So we will import Kotlin X dot. So we will use a response dot toString. We will call the response dot toString. Now in the main function, we will write our logic to accept the user inputs and interact with the API. So our next step is to create a CLI interface. Okay, we will use the Kotlin's read line function to accept the user input. So what I'll do is I'll do suspended function main, and I will create well API client is equals to crypto API client that I have created. Okay, after that I'll do a println. Welcome to the cryptocurrency CLI tool. Okay, so I'll do is while this is true, I'll do println enter. I'll do a new line basically. I'll do a new line. Enter cryptocurrency, okay, ID. Let's take an ID and it will be, let's say, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, once that is done, or type exit to exit. Okay, so it's pretty clear that how it is working. And after that, I'll take input from the user, that is the read line. Okay, and if it is null, I'll do what? Continue. Okay, now if I'll take the exit route, that is if the input dot lowercase, okay, is equals to exit. In that case, what will happen is println, I'll say goodbye and I'll break the loop. Okay, okay, so the exit condition is covered. Now we will go to the main logic, that is try well price equals to API client dot get coin price, and I'll get the I'll get the input, and once we get it, we will do what? Current price of input is price. Okay, if there are any exceptions, we will catch that here. We will catch that here and we will say println error fetching data, and we will log the exception e dot message. Okay, so this is done. What I'll do is I'll do the task. I'll go Gradle. We will do clean build. Okay, we will do a clean build first. Could now resolve this. That's the one. Okay, currently this is not able to pick. This is the one. Okay, I'll do this. Let's see. I'll run it again. Yep, as you can see, the it is successful. So what I'll do is I'll run it. Okay, so what I'll do is I will give Bitcoin. Okay, I want to, so it is showing all the println statements that we have written. Welcome to the cryptocurrency CRI tool. Enter the cryptocurrency ID, that is Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I'll do Bitcoin. The current price of Bitcoin is okay. So this is the one that is coming as because we have not formatted that one. So let me stop it. So let's change it. I think this is the wrong response that we have, because we have to format it, right? So what I'll do is I'll take ktar response. Okay. So the ktar response will give the correct formatting details. So what's the error is coming? Okay, using HTTP response is an error. Unbound streaming is okay, it is deprecated. Replaced with HTTP statement. Yes, okay. So in the HTTP statement, what I can do is I can take the response and I can use the execute and I can go for a toString. Okay, I can do this. So if I change it to this, we will be able to get it properly. So as you can see, it is running, and let's say Bitcoin. Oh, it is still not coming. Okay. Ah, here we'll have to use the read text instead of toString because we need to read it. So it, until unless you do that, it will still give the HTTP response. Okay. So we give Bitcoin, and you can see it has been formatted, and the Bitcoin price is, this is the USD that is coming, that is $94,000. Now we give Ethereum, current price is 3274, I mean $3,400. Okay, if we give Dogecoin, we will get the Dogecoin itself. Okay, so if you want to give anything apart from any other, uh, you have, what are other coins? Solana. Solana is also there. Okay, so that's how you can predict it. That's how you can create CLI for this. So we have implemented this. So that's it for today. We have just built our very own cryptocurrency CLI tool in Kotlin. Feel free to extend this project by adding features like portfolio tracking or price alerts. Okay, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you. Happy coding. Bye.